Hey everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and I post on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and hit that bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. Today I have a gift bag to share with you, this sweet little gift bag. I've been dying to share this paper. I love this paper, y'all. This is in our new catalog. By the way, the catalog is live now, so you can order from it. And if you want to browse the catalog, there is one on my blog. Or if you don't have a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and you would like a catalog, there is a request catalog on my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. All right, so the paper, it goes with the Happiness Abounds, which is this stamp set here, and it is called Hues of Happiness. Look at this paper. We're using this one this time because I love the navy behind it, so we're going to make the handle navy. But, oh, this paper is so beautiful, y'all. Look at this paper. It is absolutely gorgeous. The other side's so cute, too, and it is, well, some of them have prints, but this one has like a painted background like that. It's so cute. So I love this paper. You know how I am about designer series paper. I just love it. And I've been dying to share that. So this is the one that I'm sharing. I am using some Christmas dies actually on for the top part. And so this, we had this last year, so some of you may already have it. But it is in our new catalog as well, and I'm going to show you where they are. I can show you the inside of this now since we are live. So it is Christmas season. The dies are the seasonal label dies. So this is the bundle that used to be, but now you have to purchase them separately. And then here are the dies right here for this right here, and they are called the seasonal labels. So those are what I'm using for the top of the box or bag. And I have, these are the dies right here, plus this large one. And also this one right here. So we're using both of these to create the handle. And then this is the Christmas season stamp set. And then I'm also using the Happiness Abounds bundle. And that's this one I used the other day on my project. And if you didn't see it, this is the other box that I shared it as a window box. But this time we're using this flower. So I used these two on the last one, but we're using this one. And I'm using the happy birthday, but you can use any sentiments. You can make a congratulations for a friend. You're wonderful in every way. Any of these sentiments will work for this box. And then these are the Happiness Blooms dies, which I am using the larger flower and the leaves. So this is the larger one, and then the leaves on there. And I already cut two of the leaves out so that I didn't have to cut them all out while I had you and while I was doing the video, because we could be here all day cutting out pieces. So isn't that cute? I love this paper. It's so cute. So the first thing we're going to do is we are going to stamp and color our flower because we need to run everything through the cut and emboss at the same time. So I am going to stamp, and I'm going to tell you the measurements here of what you're going to need for this first. So you are going to need the designer series paper, and this is 6 by 10.5. And then you just need, this is what I'm using, the Night of Navy, because that's the background of this. So this is going to be for the handle. And then for the sentiment, this is approximately 1/2 inch. I'm going to end up cutting it shorter. It's a little bit narrower than 1/2 inch, but pretty close. All right, so I think that's everything. And so we are going to stamp first with Memento, because yes, I'm using my blends for this. The flower that I colored last time was Melon Mambo, so I used the light and dark. And on the center, I used the dark Daffodil Delight. And on this one, we are going to make the flower Daffodil Delight. And the old olive is going to be for the leaves. All right, then we're going to do two, or we just need to do one leaf. I already did one, so we're just going to need those. While I'm at it, I'll just go ahead and stamp the sentiment on here. Let me bring that back in here. So we have our happy birthday all ready to go. And we don't need the Magenta Madness, but you can color the flower whatever your color you want, because in this one there's quite a few different colors. You can even do it the Magenta Madness, but I thought up against the Night of Navy, this Daffodil Delight would look really pretty. So that's what we're doing for this one, the light. I'll go ahead and speed through this. I'm just gonna do the light and then accent a little bit with the dark, and then I'm doing the light and dark Night of Navy for the leaves. Okay, so here is my flower. If you noticed, I was coloring with both of them at the same time because I figured out that when you color like a darker shade and if you blend it really quickly with your light, it comes out so much nicer. So let's go ahead and run those through, and we're going to cut out our handles as well. So we're going to do our flower here. Let's see if I can get this on here the right way now. With that tape on there, I can't really see. There we go. So there is our flower and our leaves, and we have two more I already did. And now for this part, okay, so now we can cut our handle out, and we are going to lay that here. And this is just going to go in the top right here. I'm going to use some mint tape on this as well to hold it in place. You just need to remember about what width you did your first one. And we'll run that through, and then I'm going to run it through again the same way, just to get our second handle. Okay, so here's our two handles that we have ready to go. And now we're ready to do the bag. All right, so we're going to score this. Again, when you're using designer series paper, always use the fatter side of your stylus. I always want to say that because a lot of times if you use the smaller, it's going to tear it. This way it will not. So you're going to score it on the 10.5-inch side, and you're going to score it at 1/2, 4.5, 5.5, and 9.5. And you're going to turn it, and you're going to score it at 1 inch on the 6-inch side. All right, I know this is busy, so I'm going to turn it this way. And this is the 1/2-inch side here. We are going to cut that. This is our glue tab. I'm going to cut a tiny bit off here. And then we are going to cut up these, and then just take a little bit off from each of these. And if you want to make it easier, you can just cut slightly on each side of that score mark, like that. And then this one. This looks so textured on this side. This is so pretty, y'all. This paper, it's just beautiful. All right, so I'm going to sharpen these score marks. All right, now I'm going to use Stampin' Sale Plus on this 1/2 inch side here. And you're just going to put it there, and then you are going to line this up. Seal that, and then here is our little box. Then you're going to do your bottom flaps. And whichever way you decide to put your flap, this will be your front. The flap always goes back. All right, now we are going to add our handle, and I'm using this as a guide. I'm putting the handle up to this first hump there. So we're going to glue this on, and you can use your Stampin' Seal Plus here, and don't get it on that hump there. You just want it below that hump there, because that's our guide to putting it on here. Just center it up. And then you're just going to press that down. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on this side. Uh-oh, I'm out of that. But I have another one right here. Let's see if this one's going to work, because I had trouble with one of them. I think it's going to work. Yeah, I just didn't get it started. This is a new one, so it should be perfect. All right, let's tuck that back under there. And we're going to do the same with this. I'm going to use that hump right there too. Just like that. And this is my front, because this is the flap that went back. All right, now we're going to decorate it. So let me grab our little leaves here. I'm putting dimensionals on the flower to pop it up. I love this Night of Navy on here. And then we're going to put this one here. I'm going to grab my Happy Birthday, and I am going to banner the end of that. I'm going to put some Stampin' Seal Plus on that one. Is this the one? Oh, I shouldn't leave that there. That's the one I just ran out. And then we're going to tuck that under there. And then I'm going to put my leaves on here. I'm going to glue the leaves with wet glue so I can move them around if I don't like them. I'm going to put one here. I'm going to put one down here. And one there. And then I'm using the new ribbon here that we have, the Parakeet Party. And I guess I'll just use the same Parakeet Party. I was thinking of using a white, but since the sentiment is white, I think I'll just use this one. And then I'm just tying a bow, and we are going to add this with a glue dot. Whoops. It's really sparkly, y'all. It's really pretty if you like that sparkly look. It's glittery. I didn't think I was going to like it that much, but I really, really like it. And then let's just trim this a little bit more here. And there you go. There you have it. It's all done. All right, super easy, y'all. And here's the other one. Which one do you like better? I think they're both cute. They're both a little bit different. I really love the Night of Navy with this, and I don't use Night of Navy enough. It looks a little bit more elegant to me. But I hope you enjoyed it. If you need any supplies, this is the May Hostess code for this month. And Go check out the new catalog because it is so good, y'all, and there's so many fun things. I can't wait to get my new stuff and to share it with you. I hope you all have a blessed day, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.